All right, good morning, guys. Rocking no hat today because I thought the hair looked good, so we'll see how long that lasts. But anyway, this is gonna be a down and dirty video, nothing special, just doing the Avalanche Lake hike, whatever you want to call it. We just did Snyder Lake. It's another Alpine trail. My wife, Allison, shout out to her. She just did a vlog on that, so I'll link that up above if you want to go check that one out. But today is a different one, like I just said, the Avalanche one. So it's supposed to be one of the most beautiful Alpine lakes. Let's get that B-roll. All right, so the first like 1/10 of a mile, maybe a little longer, is seriously like just this ongoing little rapids waterfall thing. That is so cool. So would you say that this is easier or harder than the last hike?
Oh, it's harder. 100%. You're just a baby.
Oh, yeah?
I'm just kidding. Oh. No, definitely so much easier.
You can tell it's easier because there's literally a family every like 10 seconds, which is fine. And actually makes me a little more comfortable hiking in bear country. Do I even need to say anything? I mean, come on, this is oh man, this is great. Do this trail, do it. All right, so all of a sudden it went from trees to like more of this bushes, but the trail is still plenty clear, so much better than last time. But we're starting to see the ring that goes around the lake, I presume, and all the waterfalls coming down. So this is gonna be, it's gonna be a good one. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, got anything out of it, please consider liking and subscribing. And I try to post videos every week. And yeah, till the next one, see ya.